In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo homepage on Firefox. Let's get started by opening Firefox. You will see the familiar interface of the browser. The address bar is at the top, and you will notice your bookmarks and tabs underneath. This is the starting point for all your online activities. By opening Firefox, you are ready to make changes that will help you access your favorite sites more conveniently. It's a straightforward process, and you will feel accomplished once you set Yahoo as your homepage. Next, look for the menu button, which is represented by three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this menu button, and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Settings. This action will take you to the Settings page of Firefox. Here you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. Taking the time to adjust these settings matters because it allows you to tailor your browsing to suit your preferences. Once you are on the settings page, locate the left sidebar. Here you will see several options. Click on Home. This section specifically focuses on homepage settings and new windows. You will find it easy to navigate to the right place to make your adjustments. This step is crucial because it directs you to where you can set Yahoo as your homepage effectively. Now look for the section labeled Homepage and New Windows. Here you will see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and you will be presented with a variety of options. From these options, select Custom URLs. This is the key step that allows you to enter a specific web address for your homepage. Customizing your homepage is important as it allows you to access your preferred websites instantly every time you open Firefox. At this point, you need to enter the URL for Yahoo. Type in https://www.yahoo.com in the space provided. Make sure you enter the URL correctly to avoid any issues later. This step ensures that every time you launch Firefox, Yahoo will be the first page you see. It is a simple yet effective way to streamline your browsing experience. After entering the URL, take a moment to double-check it for accuracy. With the URL entered, you can now close the Settings tab. Firefox automatically saves the changes you made. This means you do not have to worry about losing your new settings. You will notice that the browser does not prompt you to save. It does this seamlessly in the background. This feature keeps your browsing process smooth and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters, browsing. As an alternative method, you can go directly to Yahoo. When you are on the Yahoo homepage, drag the tab onto the Home button in the toolbar. This will create a shortcut for easier access. After doing this, a prompt will appear asking if you want to set it as your homepage. Click Yes. This method is quick and provides an instant link to Yahoo with just a simple drag and drop. It's a handy trick that saves you time while customizing your browser setup. Lastly, keep in mind that Yahoo also offers instructions for making Yahoo your homepage in Firefox and other browsers. This resource can be helpful if you ever need additional guidance or if you switch browsers. Customizing your homepage can make your online experience more enjoyable and efficient. It is worth the effort to ensure you start your browsing with the sites you love.